Hello students, this is question number 8 of chapter Surface Areas and Volume, the exercise 13.3. So the question is, water in a canal 6 meter wide and a 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 kilometer per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is needed? So this is the question, that we have a canal like so. This is 6 meter wide. This is 6 meter wide. Yes, this one. And 1.5 meter deep. And water is flowing with the speed of 10 kilometer per hour. So, water is flowing here. The speed is 10 kilometer per hour. But you can see here, the every unit is given in the meter. Yes, so directly we can write it is 10,000 meter per hour. Yes, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters is flowing. How much area? Now the water is flowing here. Yes, how much area will it irrigate if 8 centimeter standing water is needed? Suppose the water they want 8 centimeter. Yes, and the area. In this field, we need to find out how much area we need to find out, and the water, the height of the water when it comes from this canal should be equal to 8 centimeter. So we need to that area when the height of the water will become 8 centimeter. Yes, so volume of water will equal to the volume of this field when the height of the water will equal to 8 centimeter. So first of all, we will find out the volume of water in 1 hour. Volume of water in 1 hour. See, the students, don't be confused when the speed of the water is given to you. See, 10 kilometer per hour. So now we are finding for the 1 hour. It means we can say the length of the water will be equal to 10 kilometer or 10,000 meter. Yes, this is for the 1 hour. In 1 hour, the water will be, the length will be equal to this 10 kilometer. Yes, so what is this is the shape of cuboid. You can see here, wide, deep, yes, and the length is also given to us. So it is the shape of the canal is the shape of a cuboid. So volume of water in 1 hour will be equal to L into B into H. Yes, and L is given to us, that is 10 kilometer, that we have already equal to, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, since the width is also given in the meter and the height is also given in the meter. So we have converted this length, that is for the 1 hour. In a 1 hour, the length is 10 kilometer. Yes, 10 kilometer per hour it is given. So don't be confused. So length is 10,000 meter. Yes, width is 6 and the height is 1.5. Yes, so when we multiply this, we can get 10,000 into 6 5s are 33, 6 1 is 6, 7 8 9. So we have got 90,000 meter cube. Yes, so this is for 1 hour. Volume of water in 1 hour. Yes, this is for 1 hour, and we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Yes, but the time they want, how much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes? So we need to find out for the 30 minutes. So for 30 minutes, volume of water will be 90,000 upon 2, that will equal to 45,000. 2 4s are 8, 1 2 5s are 10, that is equal to 45,000 meter cube. Yes, this is the volume of water for in 30 minutes. Yes, for the canal. In 30 minutes, the volume of water in a canal that will move to the field, that will irrigate to the field, will be the 45,000 meter cube. So we need to find out water we have got, the volume we have got. Now we need to find out the area, that is will equal to the volume of the field. Yes, when the volume of water irrigating the required area will equal to the volume of water that flowed in 30 minutes. Yes, so 45,000 meter cube will equal to area into height of the field. Yes, now 45,000 meter cube is equal to area we need to find out, and the height they have given to us, that is, see, the height of the water they want 8 centimeter. Yes, but we have already calculated each and everything in the unit meter, so we will convert this into the meter, so it will become 8 upon 100 meter. Yes, now area will equal to 45,000 into 100 upon 8. Simple, we need to find out the area only. We will divide this 8. See, 5s are 40. 5 carry, we have got 50. 8 6 are 48. 28 2 just 16. 4 40. 8 5s are 40. So 5,625 into 100 meter cube, or we can say 562,500 meter cube. Now, as we know that 1 hectare is equal to 10,000, sorry, area we need to find out, and 8 is the height, so 1 that is equal to meter square. So if we divide this by 10,000, that will equal to 56.25 hectare. Yes, see, this is a very important question, that's why I am repeating this. See, water in this canal, the speed is given. When the speed is given, so don't be confused. When it is 10 km per hour, there are other methods also, but I find it easy. So the distance in 1 hour will be equal to the length, we can see the for the canal will be equal to 10 km. We have converted this kilometer into the meter. So this the volume we will find out for the 1 hour first of all. Then we will divide it by 2. We can get the volume that the question is asking for the 30 minutes. So we have got the volume for the 30 minutes. Yes, this is. First of all, this is for the 1 hour. Then we divide by 2 and we have got this. Now this volume will be equal to the volume of the water in the field when the height is 8 centimeter, and we need to find out the area. So we have equate here and simply we have calculated and we have got this is the area. Yes, when we need in a meter square, this is the meter square. If we divide by 10,000, because 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square, we can get in the hectare. It's not compulsory that you need to find out in the hectare only. You can leave here also and you will get the full marks. I hope it is very clear to you. If is there any doubt, please write in the comment box. I will make it clear. Thank you, students.